Bethany here, and welcome to today's quick tutorial. I have here the beautiful paper pads from the Not Too Shabby Shop Paper Pad of the Month Club. And if you haven't seen my video earlier this month, you'll see I really love this. They're stinking adorable. I mean, I feel like I say that about pretty much every paper pad and die and stamp from Not Too Shabby Shop, but it's pretty much true. Anyways, I'm going to make some quick, easy, fast cards using the paper pad, using the ephemera that comes in the with the pads this month for August, and we're just going to have a lot of fun. So I took the berries background, the mixed berries background, and then the ombre glitter, the yellow slash orange slash red, and I cut it down. The small strip I cut down 5.5 by 1.25, and then the larger strip 5.5 by 3 inches. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. I am using the Neenah 110-pound cardstock card base that I created myself, and then I'm using the Barely Art glue, making sure my corners are nice and even because I want to go edge to edge with this card front that I'm making. And because I measured it so closely without any overlap, it's very important to at least try to line it up as centered as possible as well. And gluing the larger panel down too. And making sure that your berries face the proper direction so that when you open the card, it is not upside down. That's also imperative. And then I want this to have a very good press, so I'm going to put it under an acrylic block to dry. Now, even though I have not decided to use the gingham paper for this project, I have been inspired by it, and I have some yellow gingham ribbon that is sitting around and needs to be used. So while the block is holding that down, I'm going to go ahead and cut this here. And in hindsight, I should have probably glued this card front down after the fact so I could have really clean edges, but the decision was made before I remembered I wanted to use this ribbon. So taking my Xyron machine, I have a small sticker Xyron machine. You can manually glue yours if you choose to do ribbon, but this is my hack for getting ribbon glued down easily and quickly. And then making sure you bray it down really well. You're basically creating a sticker out of the ribbon. And then peeling it apart. And then I want to place it towards the lower third of the card. So if I had put this down before gluing the card base, it would have been interesting, but not unheard of. I could have folded it around the edges of the two papers here, but instead I will just trim off the edge, the excess. I zoomed in a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. And now to add the ephemera. But I used some foam tape from the back and placing the ephemera just over the edge of that ribbon there. And there you have a simple, fast, easy way to make a card. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope you learned a little bit something about using multiple colors or multiple patterns of paper and breaking it down by using different ideas for focal points and ephemera. I will have a link down below for my channel. I would love for you to join me on my channel and jump in on all the craftiness that happens there. I will also have a link down below for the Not Too Shabby Shop. Don't forget to sign up for the subscription to the Paper Pad Club of the Month. Again, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye!